Question 20. What results in ultrafiltration in the nephron? So we know that the nephron is found in the kidneys and there is a Bowman's capsule where we see a mesh of capillaries which we call the glomerulus. The artery that is entering or nearing the Bowman's capsule is the renal arteriole, which is a finer form of the artery, while the one leaving is the efferent arteriole. Renal efferent and renal efferent. And blood from the renal efferent arteriole is coming from the heart and going towards the glomerulus where filtration occurs. So substances will be filtered out of the capillaries and into the Bowman's capsule, into the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, the distal, and then the collecting duct. The force that allows these particles to be filtered and pushed out of the capillaries into the Bowman's capsule is by brute force or pressure from the high pressure flow of blood from the renal efferent arteriole. Statement A states that the action of antidiuretic hormone results in this ultrafiltration. This is not true. We see antidiuretic hormone acting on the collecting duct, or rather the cells of the collecting duct, allowing them to help in osmoregulation, meaning to regulate osmolarity or the amount of water in our blood. ADH is a hormone that helps to change the permeability of these cells to water, allowing to adjust the amount of water that is reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Therefore, antidiuretic hormone does not affect ultrafiltration. B states that the activity of mitochondria in cells of the nephron helps in ultrafiltration. This is also not true. Ultrafiltration is a passive process, and the activity of mitochondria implies that this requires energy or it is an active process, which is not true. C states that the breakdown of urea results in ultrafiltration in the nephron. This is not true. And D states that the contraction of the left ventricle results in ultrafiltration in this nephron. This is true because we know that the inflow of blood from the renal efferent arteriole is actually coming from the heart. And the result of this high pressure flowing of blood is due to pumping of the heart, specifically the contraction of the left ventricle. Therefore, option D will be the correct answer.